Hey, it's LSFT here today. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about a new notice from Lexus Canada regarding frozen door handles. If you're an owner of a new Lexus NX, RX, or RZ and you live in cold places, you might know about this issue already. You go to your car on a cold morning, press the button on the handle, and nothing happens. You cannot open the door. First, you may think that it's the 12-volt battery not working, but sometimes it's actually the door handle. Well, Lexus Canada has just released a limited service campaign, the LB3, to fix this. If you're in the United States, stay tuned because I think this will be coming to the US as well. I have not seen this being released in the US at this time. Now, before we get into the details, I want to share my personal experience. This campaign marks a milestone for my 2022 NX450h Plus. I checked my records and there's been 4 recalls, and this is the 4th limited service campaign for this car. That means this will be my 8th trip to the dealer just for these corrections. I have to be honest, this is officially the most recalled Lexus vehicle I've ever owned. I don't want to sound like I'm complaining, but facts are facts. Every trip to the dealer is time out of my day and it adds up. Speaking of dealer trips, I've been looking into the future software update called Arene, and this is coming to the new Toyota RAV4. Many of us hope that new software means that we can fix everything over the air update just like your phone. But I look closely at the timeline, and for the upcoming RAV4, Arene only controls cockpit and safety system. The body control, which handles things like door locks, is still using the old system. This means we are likely still a few years away from a car that can be fixed completely over the air. So for now, we still need to visit the dealer. And reality is, this most likely, if you look at it, is a replacement of a door handle, so it cannot be done over the air. But if it's software that could be changed over the air, I think that could be coming soon. Follow me on Instagram at LSFT videos. You can see updates on my experience with the NX450h Plus, which may not be shown on any future videos. You can reach out to me via direct messaging if you have any questions on your Lexus. If you like this video, you can provide me feedback in the comments below, like this video, share it with your friends. This definitely will help with the YouTube algorithms. Press the subscribe button and bell icon and get notified when new videos show up. And lastly, if you want to support me further, you can provide me a super thanks, or visit my Amazon storefront before you purchase anything from Amazon, or you can purchase products from the list on the items that I've been using with my vehicle or at home at no extra cost to you. And now let's continue with the video. So here we have the limited service campaign. This is a sample letter that you can download, and you'll probably be getting it in the snail mail sometime in the new year. So it does say Lexus guests. They're dedicated to providing vehicle of outstanding quality and value. And it says that they have this a limited service campaign LB3. And in some ways I would say it's been a long time waiting to get this, because we've known about this frozen door handle for quite some time. And reality is, I'm on my 4th year. My warranty is expiring very soon, and now we're seeing that this limited service campaign is coming out. One good news is I haven't experienced frozen door handles, but most likely I will get this done too, because again, when we start looking at the costs, you will know why I'm going to do it no matter what. So what does it impact? 2022 to 2024 NX250s, they don't make them anymore. 2022 to 2024 NX350s, we have 22 to 24 350Hs, and also the 450H Plus. Then we look at the RXs. So it's funny that they break them down this way, but 2023 RX 350, 350H, and 500H. And also, if you do have a 2023 RZ450E, you're part of the recall as well. So what they're saying here is, So what is the condition? They're saying that affected models are equipped with the e-latch switch on the outside door handles. Under certain conditions, water can enter via the outside door handle and freeze when temperature is low. This will prevent internal switch from being pressed, making it impossible to unlatch the door from the outside by the e-latch switch. However, it is possible to unlatch the door manually, so you can probably open it on the bottom. So what they're saying is any authorized dealer will replace previously not replaced outside door handles free of charge. So if you've experienced this problem before and they've replaced one of your door handles, they will replace 3 of them. If they've replaced 2 of them, the rear 2 have not been replaced, they'll replace the rear 2. All right, so I have not had any replaced, so most likely all 4 of them will be replaced. And especially for me, cadmium orange is no longer made, so the parts will have to be purposely made for this because they don't make orange door handles anymore. So what they're saying is contact your Lexus dealer, book an appointment to get the remedy performed. The remedy will take approximately 2 hours to complete. So currently the status of my car, I have 2 limited service campaigns and 1 safety recall that needs to be done by the dealership. And I just did one of them on my last visit. So you can see this adds up. So the campaign will expire December 22nd, 2028. So it gives you 3 years to get this done. Now, I want to show you why you really need to get this done before the campaign expires in 2028. I looked up the prices for these parts, just for my specific car, which is the cadmium orange NX450h Plus, so the part numbers will be a little bit different. The E0 at the end is cadmium orange. Other colors will have a different 2-digit code at the end. The front door handles in Canadian dollars is about $558 Canadian each, so one left, one right. The rear door handles is $417 each. So when you add up the 4 door handles, it costs, just for parts, nearly $2,000. I don't think it'll cost Lexus $2,000 to replace this, but if you had to do it yourself, it's just parts $2,000. And that doesn't include labor installing it. And you know how much labor costs right now. It's crazy. So they're saying 2 hours to do it. So add 2 more hours of labor. So you're talking about, plus taxes, $2,700 just to replace these 4 door handles. So if you ignore this letter and wait until after the campaign expires in 2028, and for whatever reason water does get into your door handles afterwards and it freezes, it's a bill that you probably don't want to pay for. And if you're in Canada, look out for the letter in the mail. I'm curious, how many dealer trips have you made for your NX or RX? Is it just me with 8 trips? Let me know in the comments below. And do let me know in the comments below that you've had your door handle replaced before. We want to see how many people have seen this issue before and now they finally released this limited service campaign. Thanks for watching. I hope that you found that this video was informative, and until next video, drive safely. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please comment, like, share this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get notified when new videos are posted. And if you'd like to support this channel, you can provide me a super thanks. And until next time, cheers.